You just listed home, 225 Beulah Avenue, Panama City, Florida by John Arroyo from the military veteran team. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home spans 1,440 square feet on a generous 0.43-acre lot, offering the perfect blend of space and convenience. Inside, a cozy fireplace warms the living room. The spacious and inviting bedrooms provide a peaceful retreat, while the modern, well-appointed bathrooms add comfort and style. The bright, functional kitchen is perfect for cooking and entertaining. Enjoy a screened patio and open porch that provides outdoor relaxation, an oversized detached garage that fits 4 vehicles, plus space for a boat or RV. Located just steps from John B. Gore Park, enjoy easy access to a boat ramp, sports fields, and playgrounds. Don't miss this outdoor lover's dream. Schedule a tour today.